I'm here at Excelapalooza because we always learn great tips and tricks on how to use Excel and how to use the BizNet system that I hadn't thought of before.
The cool thing about being here is that once you leave a session, you still have access to everybody that was either in the session or teaching the session, and there are people all over that are willing to help you even once you leave here.
There's a lot of power in being able to create a workbook that's separate from the data.
Most of you, when you filter, you choose one cell and click that filter icon.
We love Mr. Excel!
It's great. Mac and I come from different backgrounds. He has all kinds of tricks that I don't have. I have all kinds of tricks that he doesn't have. Between us, I think you get a chance for like 14 different Excel sessions, but just loaded with tips.
I'm a giant nerd, so this is awesome. You know, anytime you get to hang out in Excel with people that know it more than you do, that's a win in my column.
Now I can build the report, and then when that report is due, I just click a button and that report is done.
We can do things now in probably 10 or 15 minutes that we used to take at least a half a day to write in SQL Report Writer.
The opportunity to learn from the experts, other techniques that maybe I probably read so much on the internet or either read from the guides, and then learning it here, and also meeting new friends and colleagues.
I came to Excelapalooza this year because I was so excited from Excelapalooza last year. I actually brought my budget analyst with me this year too. I wanted to get more into Power Query. Now that we've upgraded to Excel Connect 7, I'm all excited that I can go through the BizNet track. It's been a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to happiest hour tonight because I love shooting crowds.
If you use Excel and you love Excel and you want to learn great Excel tricks, come to Excelapalooza. It'll change your life.
I would highly recommend it to anyone. Come on and do it.